It's a big, big day. India has hit back at Pakistan's state-sponsored radical Islamist terror and hit at the heart of Pakistani terror in Muridke and in Bahawalpur in Pakistan, Punjab province. But that's not all. India strikes Pakistan after Pahalgam, and it's not one or two, but 9 different targets across Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir that have been struck overnight. Precision strike by the Army, the Navy and the Indian Air Force. Simultaneous strikes from 3 different locations at 9 different locations in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. And this is India's Operation Sindoor. Remember what the Pakistani terrorists did in Pahalgam. They wiped out the sindoor of Indian Hindu women when they killed their husbands. The 25 Indians and 1 Nepali citizen were killed. India has hit back. 9 different locations, from Muzaffarabad in Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir to Kotli, to when you come to Pakistan to Sialkot, from Sialkot to Muridke, the headquarters of Lashkar-e-Taiba. Remember that professor of terror, Hafiz Muhammad Saeed, has his headquarters in Muridke. But that's not all. Just go down to Bahawalpur, again the heart of Pakistan's Punjab province in southern Pakistan, Punjab. Bahawalpur is the headquarters of Jaish-e-Mohammed. And this is not retribution just for Pahalgam. IC-814 hijack in 1999. That's the time that Maulana of terror, Masood Azhar, had to be released. He went to Bahawalpur in Pakistan's Punjab and set up Jaish-e-Mohammed, which repeatedly bled India from the Parliament attack to the Pathankot attack to the Pulwama attack. Finally, that terror headquarters has been targeted as part of India's Operation Sindoor. Hafiz Muhammad Saeed's terror training camp has also been destroyed. And the information we have, this was a joint operation of the Indian Army, the Indian Navy and the Indian Air Force. And India today has the biggest team of reporters getting you 360-degree perspective of the precision strikes in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir using the Rafale fighter jets. You had the Sukhoi 30 MKIs, you had the Mirage 2000s, and there's a massive exercise of the Indian Air Force that's currently underway. I want to quickly cut across to Pampore in Jammu and Kashmir. Joining me now from Ground Zero is India Today's Mir Farid. Mir, massive strikes into Pakistan, but Pakistan is also talking about a process where it will hit back. What's the latest situation on ground?
Well, Gaurav, obviously a lot of tension. 2-3 things I can confirm to you straight away is that the Srinagar Civil Airport, civil traffic has been shut at Srinagar Airport. And right now I'm in Pampore. Now, as we have been reporting since morning, early morning, that there's a fighter jet that has crashed in this particular location. The remains of this jet are scattered in a large area. Air Force, Garud commandos and everyone has come to the location. The periphery has been completely sealed. But just to give you an idea of where it has happened, I'll ask Tariq, this is the tree. In fact, the chinar tree has taken the brunt of this particular crash, because otherwise it's a civilian built-up area and there could have been casualties. Right now, we won't speculate whose plane is this. Obviously, defense officials will come up with clarity on the same. But we've been told that at least 3 such incidents have happened across Jammu and Kashmir at 3 locations, and all 3 locations being secured.